this way. This is the back of the emergency department. It looks like they're renovating this section as well. When I first got here this morning, it was fenced off, I guess you could say. Yes, they are renovating the Concord Hospital. Okay, let's go up this pathway. Some of these footpaths really have a lot to be desired for. So before we go in for my procedure, I just want to take you over to the other section of the hospital. The other section, this is the medical center section of the hospital. Really? Oh, sorry, thank you. Scared that poor lady. We'll go to that side. Sorry. You can tell this is an old section. Footpath is not so safe. It's not, well, not that it's safe. It's a little bit uneven. Okay, it's a new coffee shop as well. Not a new sections of the hospital, old part of the building, but that's the new coffee shop. Never used to be there. Okay, so the old chemist is now closed. Ah, this is a new ramp section. Morning. Oh, another new building there as well. A lot of new buildings around. Residential ones, so those. Oh, so let's go back in to my appointment. So we want to go to the 5th floor. North building, I think it is. The other access point we went to, I don't think it was classed as a wheelchair access. So I'm going to be turning the camera off. I'll come back out if I'm after my procedure. I might do a bit more footage, but we shall see. I might just get a coffee or something here. There's nothing to say I couldn't eat or drink before my scheduled appointment. So thank you for watching.